Is it time to buy Tesla? Let's answer this right now. First, Tesla is up $3.9. That's 2.25%, closed at 176.88. Post-market, we are up by 11 cents. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So right now, Tesla is into a congestion zone. Congestion zone. This is what it means. We are going sideways. This is where the tug of war between the buyers and sellers is happening. We are between 160.45 and 180.38. These two numbers are the frontier of the war between the two. If we have a break of 180.38, we are going to consider this a buy signal. If we have a break of 160.45, we are going to consider this a sell signal, particularly if we break lower than 160.45. This is what technical analysis is. It is not looking at the news, it's not looking at everything else. It's looking at the behavior of the buyers and sellers, and we are observing that behavior by the stock price. Let's take a look at the VIX, which is the fear factor of the stock market. The higher the VIX, the lower the stock market. So VIX is coming down by 0.21 today. So coming down a little bit, but it's still pretty high. So we need to keep a close watch on this. If it starts to go significantly higher, then we should be concerned and we should be getting out of all the longs that we have, because we should be seeing some sell signals in all the stocks that we own. Government bonds are down a little bit. This is helping the stock market. The same thing with US dollar. This is also helping the stock market. Let's take a look at the stock indices to have an idea of the overall stocks, how they are faring. Dow Jones is going sideways. We are no longer into a bull trend. We are going sideways. S&P 500, the same thing. We are going sideways. NASDAQ, we are also going sideways. So there is a little bit of a pause in the market as a whole. Yes, we can maybe find some stocks that have buy signals, but most of the stocks are in a standstill. Let's take a look at the Magnificent Seven. So Apple going sideways, still above 160.40. If we start breaking 160.40, next stop is going to be 165.49. After 165.49, then this is going to be a bigger drop. Amazon, this is an exception. So Amazon is into a bullish channel. This is the bullish trend. We are zigzagging right here. It should continue until we break this support line right here. AMD going sideways, ARM also going sideways, Google continuing higher. So Google is an exception. This is into a bullish trend. We got the buy signal right here, March 28. This is continuing. Microsoft going sideways. It's just going sideways. We had the buy signal right here above 114.25. We are still into that buy signal. Keep your stop loss below 415.25. Meta, Meta. This was so close. We had the buy signal right here, but it reversed on us. It happens. It happens. Nothing's perfect. It happened. If you put a stop loss, then you should be out of that one. If you don't have a stop loss, you can suffer it until this diagonal support right here. NVIDIA, look at this. This is into a congestion zone going sideways. If we break 836, this is a goner. This is going to be a short. Palantir, I would not buy right now because we don't have stochastic over 60, a 21-day stochastic. But at least it wants to, after this move down right here, it wants to, it's still climbing a little bit. But we are looking at trends. And right now, because of this big down move, we don't believe just a few days of move ups. We need more than that. SMCI is into a downward channel. This one is a goner. I personally shorted that one with a put. We'll see when it happens. I was a little bit late on that one. The sell signal happened on April 4th. Truth Social, this is going down to 31.81. Marathon going sideways, nothing to do here. OpenDAC, not too bad, but this is only going to be a buy at 316 if it ever gets there. Let's now take a look at the EV stocks. So BYD is going a little bit crazy, but don't forget, we have a congestion zone here at 28.16. 28.16 is our frontier. It can do anything before that, and this means pretty much nothing on this time frame. Lucid going sideways, Neo battery material going up, but after this big move down, it will have to do more to prove itself. Neo, don't touch that. Novonix, we have the buy signal again. We had some horizontal resistance right here at 249, or make it 250. And we have a break of this here, and we came down a little bit, and now it seems like we want to go a little bit higher. This could go up to 294, and it could cave in at 294. We need to be mindful of that because we have an important resistance at 294 right here. Once we break 294, then we should be good to go higher. Xpeng, a little bit of a move up, but this is insignificant. Rivian, the same thing. Bitcoin, a little bit of a caving in, but we still have a good stochastic. We are still above this bullish support, so nothing to fear so far. XRP, nice day, up 1%. So we are really following this support line. You know, we are touching. You know, I cannot make this up. And this, it was used as resistance, and now we have broken through it. Physical gold continuing a little bit. We had the buy signal right here on March 28th, and silver also continuing. So stocks are having more of a problem. You know, NVIDIA is slowing down. We have many stocks that are slowing down. We have just a few that's showing still some bullish sign. We should be very picky. In terms of Tesla, we have the earnings call that is happening April 23rd. So this is going to be very important. We'll see what happens after the 23rd, but so far we don't have a buy signal yet for Tesla. So you can buy at any point, but if you want to eliminate most of the risk, you should wait a little bit. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.